Hi, welcome back to Success Coach Entrepreneur Program. I am Jane Chiu and I'm the founder of Success Over Coffee. In this video, I am going to talk to you about what is signature coaching program and why you need to develop your own signature coaching program. So now, what is a signature program? You may ask me. A signature coaching program is a structured, high-value coaching offer that is uniquely designed by a coach to address a specific problem or transformation for their ideal clients. It typically includes a step-by-step framework, personalized guidance, and a defined outcome that differentiate it from generic coaching services. Now, let's take a look at the reasons you need to have one signature program. Reason number one is it positions you as an expert. A signature program showcases your unique methodology and specialized expertise, making you really stand out from the generalist coaches. Clients trust coaches who have structured and proven process rather than just ad hoc coaching sessions. Reason number two is it creates a clear transformation and value proposition. Clients invest in results, not just coaching. A signature program provides a clear roadmap with a defined transformation, making it easier for people to see the value in working with you. Reason number four, a signature program helps to attract the right clients. And these right clients are usually committed to achieving a specific outcome. And this will lead to better engagement, retention of the clients, and also create a lot of success stories for you. So by having a signature program, it also creates a scalable coaching business for you. So imagine you can deliver your coaching in different format. For example, it can be one-to-one or in group or hybrid or self-paced online courses. So by having this, it allows you to serve more clients without overworking. The number three reason is by having a signature program, it helps to increase your revenue and profitability. So imagine this, instead of trading hours for dollars, a well-designed signature program allows you to charge premium rates because you offer a structured, result-driven experience rather than just one-off coaching sessions. And by having a program, it also allows you to have more sustainable income. Now, let's take a look at key elements of signature coaching program. So, a good signature coaching program always have these 5 elements. First, it has clear transformation or a well-defined result that clients will achieve by end of program. And second, it has a unique framework, a structured method or roadmap that guides their clients from their current situation to their desired goal. And the third element would be targeted audience. So, in order to come out with the solution, there must be a targeted audience defined in the signature program. So, what are we trying to help them to overcome in the coaching program? So, the fourth element would be a fixed duration or format. So, it can be a 4-week, 8-week, or 12-week program delivered through face-to-face coaching or recorded modules or a mix of both. And lastly, signature program comes with high perceived value. So it is often priced higher than one-off coaching sessions due to its structured, results-driven nature. So let's take a look some of the example of signature coaching program. For business coaches, their signature program can be called something like the market leader blueprint, build, position, and dominate your niche. So this program guides business owners in creating a strong market position, leveraging strategic planning, and implementing scalable systems to outperform competitors. What about for health coaches? So of course there are many segments for the health coaches as well, but one may be targeting at people who want to lose weight or reverse diabetes. So the coaching signature program can be called Metabolic Reset, a 90-day to reverse diabetes and lose weight naturally program. So this is one of the example for the health coaches. And the third one is, let's take a look at life coaches. What can they offer? It can be something like midlife reinvention. Yeah, crafting your next chapter with purpose and clarity. So obviously, this coaching program is targeting at those people who are midlife, and how can they still have next chapter of career or purpose in their life. Okay, so I think I've given you enough example of signature program, and I hope you have good understanding before we proceed to the next module.